What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and I won't be dropping a video today, and I deeply apologize for that. But you guys will see me next week, Saturday at 8 p.m. Shout out to all my Patreon members, and shout out to all my subscribers. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Alright, family, so I just want you guys to check out my sea moss. Since I am not dropping a full cooking video, I decided to show you my sea moss that I wash and blend. Look at that shell, guys. That's how you know this thing is real. It wasn't grown in a pool, guys. Alright, so this is some Irish sea moss that has 91 minerals, guys. You already know it's good for us vegans, especially has a lot of iodine, zinc, magnesium, and 91 minerals that the body needs. Alright, guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna blend it, and then it's gonna turn into a nice thick gel. You can put it in your oatmeal, your smoothie, your cereal, or soups. Alright, guys, so I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope you like this little short sea moss video. Alright, I will bring a full tutorial if you guys want me to. So check it out. It's all done, nice and thick, for my smoothies, my oatmeal, or my soups. Sea moss. Peace.